How to turn off unrecognized login notifications on Instagram. In order to do that, click on these three lines right here and then click in here on your account center. So continually click on that until the account center actually opens up. So from in there, scroll down until you can see this option for password and security. Head over and click on that. And then you can see in here these emails and as well as login alert. So click on this login alert. And then as you can see, just head over and then just choose in here your Instagram account. From in there, click on this right here, uncheck it. So it will uncheck or turn off the in-app notifications. You can also click on your email right here. And then you can actually make this turned off as well using the same method that you have. So you can also do it so on any accounts that you have in here as well. You can do so on this account and then just uncheck some things and then that will actually turn off unrecognized login. So that's how you turn off unrecognized login notifications on Instagram.